Manual stencil cleaning is only recommended for low throughputs. Even if done carefully and with the appropriate white material, it shows no reproducible cleaning results. In the first step, remove the coarse contaminants with a spatula. Spread the cleaning agent onto the stencil. It is important to use a stencil white material that does not leave any lint or other residues on the stencil. Manual stencil cleaning must be done carefully, as too much force can easily damage the stencil. Some advantages of manual stencil cleaning are that it is an alternative to an automated cleaning process at low throughput. It has low acquisition costs. It is a simple and fast procedure. Some disadvantages are that it is only recommendable at low throughputs. It has no reproducible cleaning results. It needs to be done carefully and with the appropriate white material. For further information, please contact ZESTRON's Application Technology Department at techsupport@zestron.com.